How to block adult website on iPhone. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you are on the settings, head over to screen time over here. And then move into content and privacy restrictions. So firstly, all you want to do is enable this option. Enter the passcode of your device. Once it has been enabled, now head over to content restrictions. And then move into web content. In here, you will get to see 3 different options. But all you want to do is enable this option, limit adult websites. Once it has been enabled, the adult website will be blocked successfully. And below that, you will get to see 2 different options. One is always allow and the other is never allow. You can also choose a specific website if you want to restrict or not. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can block adult website on your iOS device. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.